Hey guys, this is Naveen Sroha. Today I am going to show you some my new parameter which is added on GAN Square, GAN Box and GAN Square Lite versions, which is solved on MQL, and this is world first dynamic GAN Box, GAN Square and GAN methods formula. Okay. Recently I was added some parameters for auto scale, which is very hard to work. Any of charting software is not available. So this is also a interesting and highly recommended feature which is I added. It's called as the multiplier. I just give the name of multiplier. Okay, right now I am using M30 time frame. Default parameters is setting like that. Multiplier 5, scale is 1. So 1 equal to 5 point per bar is automatically fill the your chart screen. See, right now your chart is 5 point per bar. So it's a 30-minute time frame, is some scrolling up and down. So just put it to multiplier 10 or maybe 2. Let's see 2. So it's right now 10 point per bar. Okay, so this is extraordinary feature I was added in this. So if you can draw here to here anywhere in your chart, so right now your scale is look like that. No problem with zoom in, zoom out or something. Right now your chart is scale, so no need to worry about it. It's 50% time and price, so market is reverting to upside for few times. Delete previous. Before some time I was added delete previous function. It's deleting one by one. Suppose you are drawing lots of drawing on your chart, so that time you have to remove only one single last value, so you can change and you are able to delete the last point of squaring the method. Suppose here to here you draw, here to here, and draw some things here. See the swings here to here. This is the 60%, 66.6%, 50% values. Exact swing low. Build a circle. You want to draw this one, means recent here, then last, then last. Okay, it's all about the parameters. Here is some parameters of basic trend line. So if you want to look at the basic trend line values, so just shifted that 50 and 50. So your trend line is looks here left side on chart, so it's changed their spaces to changing your parameters. Okay, it's on 30-minute time frame. Go to your 15-minute time frame, is something like that. So simply I just click to there. It's end of the time. So 15 minute, easy to use. Your scale equal to 1. 1:5. So MT5 have only MT5 have these kind of features. So right now your trend line is also upside. To adjust your scale, 50% time and price. Here your chart is scaled to 1:5. Look at your scale, 5 point per bar. Okay, these features are only for currencies. Go to your time frame H1. What do you have to do? H1 multiply by 4 or multiply by 3. So I am using 4 or 3. Okay, let me take 3. Delete all. So now you want to draw anywhere. Suppose we are doing here or something here. Exact 50% price values, and if you look at that, here is this is 75, is again 33 point, means more 33 is crosses, and time of reversal you predict with GAN square. Same for GAN box also. If you want to look at GAN box, okay, let me try to do something with this. Let's go to daily time frame. Chart look like that, it's very weird. So you want to change some values here. Suppose we need to do 10 point per bar. So right now your chart is scaled with 50 point per bar. 50 point per bar. Let me delete the previous one. It's a GAN box lines. So this is your basic trend line. Go to here, draw something here. See, your scale is exactly square and chart exactly scale. Don't worry if your chart is not scale, any MT4 or MT5 version, so don't worry about it. All the points are same according to your scale. Is fixed inside. Whatever you put on there, my indicators gives you a excellent interpretation and excellent draw section. It's not adjusting, not repainting, or nothing to do. Okay, so not worry about it. But if you are take some time and try to find out your chart scale, it's very easy to find out. Right now it's completely fine tune product and fine tune our parameters. Okay, it's all about GAN box. So in daily time frame, currencies and all, so you can do that kind of. If you want to go weekly time frame, then it's look like that. Just delete all and place here. Just I am putting 20 or 30, whatever you want. So per bar point value is 150, scale is 150. Is automatically fill in there. Okay, let me show some another one is GAN box. All product are same parameters, and some features are different. One is a GAN box, one is a GAN square, and one is a GAN light version, square light version. Right now I am going to, here we are doing 20. Scale is up to 100 point per bar. Okay, let me draw GAN box. GAN box means it's a divider of four dividers, 3 dividers. Okay, what is mean? 33 is third divider. So 3 dividers is there, which is 33.3, 66.6, right? Price and time, which is red line. Okay, all other angles is 45 crosses, center square, all are different. So right now your chart is scale. You can draw anywhere. Your chart is scale. Enable raise, delete all, or delete previous. Delete previous, disable raise. Now build a box or build a square, build a circle. Okay, so this is a method of GAN box. So scaling parameters and all these things are same in any of MT4, MT5, GAN square and GAN box, or GAN box light, GAN square light version. So these are the 3 versions available on there. So it's all about this. Okay, hope you understand what I did in parameters. So you can use currencies with the same method. For gold, silver and stocks, I just make a new video. So let's meet on new video for stocks and futures, or maybe commodity, how to use same method with the multiplier in MT5. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching me.